Okay. So here we go. This is how the stump is being removed right now. So remember that tree. This is the part 2 of it. I put the things, I made sure it's ready for cutting. Okay. So that's how it's done. Don't mind me, Jeff. Did I bother you? My bad.
No, you're not.
Okay, cool.
What's going on?
Oh, just taking inventory. You can say yes. Yeah, it's looking good, man. Looking good.
All right. I thought you wanted me for a minute.
No. I just
These ones right here. These just that